Hello everyone, Ngiyahlothisana and welcome to my channel. So singer Ami Faku is the latest artist to complain of exploitation in the music industry. She has filed a lawsuit in the Johannesburg High Court accusing her manager Raphael Benza and his record label 5th Season of withholding royalties and demanding full transparency in their financial dealings. The acclaimed artist is seeking a court order compelling Benza to disclose the label's financial records and settle outstanding royalties owed to her. Faku claims Benza exploited her as a young black female artist through unfair contractual agreements. She alleges the royalty statements provided by 5th Season were disorganized and incomplete, making it impossible to track her rightful earnings. The singer revealed that she personally invested over 400,000 rands in the production of Imali album and is now demanding ownership of the album's master recordings. Alongside financial compensation, Faku is asking the court to terminate her artist management and publishing contracts with Benza and 5th Season. She further accuses Benza of a pattern of targeting young black female artists for personal financial gain. So one person said, "I don't recall reading anything positive about this Raphael Benza ever. The man has always been a cancer to our music industry. Can he just go back to Liberia already?" Another person said, "I knew my goat was going through something. Ami is super talented. There was no way she couldn't have material to drop a follow-up album. Benza should be ashamed of himself, man." Another comment said, 5th Season has been doing artists dirty since AKA was his artist. Someone else supported the claim, saying Benza also exploited AKA. So they are saying this is not his first rodeo. In fact, exploiting artists is his thing. I'm so hurt, Ami Faku, to be honest. Very sad. Anyway, I'm yet to learn of an artist that won an exploitation battle against a record label, but I hope just one case can set precedent for once, just this once.